Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be talking about the Fractal ZigZag Indicator. Alright, this is a custom indicator, meaning that you will need to download it from an external source, and after doing that, you will need to add the indicator to your indicators library for the MT4 platform. After that, you will then be able to use the indicator on your chart. So I have already done those, and I'm just going to be loading the indicator to the chart right away. Okay, the Fractal ZigZag Indicator. So this is how the indicator looks like. It's quite straightforward. Okay, the indicator is a non-repaint indicator according to the description of the indicator, right? Yes. Now, this indicator tries to offer a better tries to offer better features compared to the standard zigzag indicator. Okay, now whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this indicator aims to offer straight to the point signals, as we can see on the chart. Straight to the point signals, blue arrows for buy signals, red arrows for sell signals. Okay, this indicator identifies reversal points on the chart. Okay, so basically when a red arrow appears above the candlestick, it is a sell signal, and when a blue arrow appears below the candlestick, it is a buy signal. Okay, however, irrespective of the fact that the indicator is described to be a non-repaint indicator, I will recommend that you apply caution. All right, yes, because indicators like this might be repainting. Okay, so always confirm your signals just in case, right? To be on the safer side, always confirm your signals. When the indicator gives you a red arrow above the candlestick, it simply means that it is time to sell. Okay, and then when you enter a sell, you can set your stop loss just above that swing high, and then for your take profit, you can decide to use the nearest support zone. All right, you can use support zones to exit your sell, or you can decide to wait for a buy signal, right? For example, if you had sold here and then you wanted to use the indicator signal to determine your exit, that is going to be when a blue candle appears, a blue arrow appears below the candlestick, then that's going to be your sell exit strategy. Okay, if you want to use the indicator to determine your exit, then you have to wait for the opposite signal to appear before you exit. In the case of a buy, let's say we had bought here, you set your stop loss just below the swing low, and for your take profit, you can either decide to use resistance levels, right? You can decide to use resistance levels, or you can decide to wait for a red arrow to form above the candlesticks, and that's going to be your exit strategy for a buy trade. All right, so it depends on you whether you want to work with the resistance and support zones, or whether you want to use the Fractal ZigZag Indicator to get your exit points. Then that's actually fine, whichever case, right? But I'm going to recommend adding other indicators for confirmations. Okay, I'm going to recommend adding either the moving average or the stochastic or any other momentum oscillator of your choice. The reason why I would recommend adding a momentum oscillator, at least one momentum oscillator, is so that you can confirm overbought and oversold zones. When this indicator gives you a signal, try to look at the momentum oscillator to know if the price has probably entered oversold territory or overbought territory. All right, for example, we can see that here we had a sell signal. The stochastic oscillator was already in the overbought territory, so this confirmed the sell, right? After the bearish crossover happened and stocks dropped below the 80 level, that was a confirmation of the sell. Okay, in this case, we had a buy signal the stochastic was already in the neutral territory, but it was trending upwards. So that was a confirmation of the buy. Okay. In this case, we had another buy signal. The stochastic was within the oversold territory, like just a little part of the stochastic was in the oversold territory and pointing upwards. So this confirmed the buy. So we can see that using other indicators for confirmations can give you an extra layer of confidence, okay, so that you can enter the trades with more confidence. All right. Now, one thing with this indicator is that the Fractal ZigZag Indicator is that you can use this indicator to trade consolidation markets, right? You can trade consolidations, or you can trade trending markets, whichever one you prefer, or you can trade both, right? So even in a consolidating market, you can see the indicator is going to tell you when to sell, when to buy, and when to sell, and all of that, okay? And in a trending market, you can decide to just trade in the direction of the trend, all right? If you are a scalper, you can decide to, catch every single move. If you're a swing trader, you can just enter a trade in the direction of the trend and just ride the trend till the end, okay? Now, using moving averages for additional confirmation is also going to be a good idea, okay, because the moving average is a trend following indicator. So if you are trading in the direction of the trend, then you can't use the moving average to confirm trade. But if you are trading consolidation markets, moving averages might not be the best option for your confirmations indicator, right? So if you are trading a trending market, for example, you can see that when this indicator gives us a sell, right, we can see that the moving average eventually confirmed the sell around here. After the confirmation, you can consider entering a sell trade and then can exit at the near support levels, or when the Fractal ZigZag Indicator gives a buy signal. And then in the case of the actual trending market, you can see that the moving average was confirming the buys as price was bouncing off the moving average. For example, in this case, we had a buy signal from the Fractal ZigZag Indicator, and the moving average actually confirmed that buy by serving as a dynamic support level. As you can see, it served as a floor for these candlesticks as the candlesticks bounced off the moving average, okay? So that would have been a good place to enter a buy trade, and then you can decide to set your stop loss below that swing low, all right, directly below the swing low. And then for your take profit levels, you can set your levels at resistance zones, or you can decide to use the opposite signal, which is going to be the sell signal from the Fractal ZigZag Indicator to exit your buy. So basically, that is it for this indicator. And when you are making use of this indicator, in addition to confirmations, please always use good risk management strategies, okay? Use good risk to reward ratios. If you are risking $1, your potential profit should be $2. That's going to be a risk to reward of 1 to 2, all right? And then make sure that you do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in one particular trade, okay? Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.